Hello. Today I will try to do comparison between CPU Intel Core Ultra 9285K and AMD Ryzen 9800 by 3D, rather than their core space and multiple AMD choices. Now see Ryzen 9800 X3d for gaming-focused user and Ryzen 9950 X3d for balanced all-rounder. But we are today like to discussion about Ryzen 9800 by 3D and Intel Core Ultra 9285K. Let's see what Intel showcase their Intel Core Ultra 9285K what they demand on site it. We see the architecture is hybrid design. They use 8 performance P-core plus 16 efficiency E-core equals 24 total. There's handling 24 tasks afterward. Clock speed is P-core is tiled 3.7 GHz, turbo up to 5.5 GHz minus 5.7 GHz with a thermal velocity boost along. E-core base tiled 3.2 GHz turbo up to tiled 4.6 GHz. And clear cache is tiled 40 MB L2 plus 36 MD. L3 Smart Cache. They use power, base TDP 125W which is maximum. Its power gain up to turbo power 250W. Side 1 additional features integrated NPU tiled 13 tops for eye accelerations, supports DDR5 up to DDR5 6400 speeds. Now time on jump dig deep into Ryzen see their footprint on Ryzen 9800 X3d, powered by AMD sired that it's a gaming ultra processor CPU, which is come with Leap Baldur's Gate 3 to 175 FPS AVG vs 117 FPS tiled up to 49% higher for AMD 1% lows 117 vs 88 FPS. And the Cyberpunk 2077 is tiled to 20.9% advantage in average FPS across many titles. Maybe you think that how complex it is. Yes, little congruent but not waste money. Ryzen gain 30 to 45% plus in average and minimum. Because its charge 3DV cache stacked L3 boosts data access and reduce latency. Whenever we exceeds our comparison, productivity and multi-threaded performance. Intel is hold a strong lead handling 285K threaded workload. Now my open innocent opinion is, that if you dose corporate or office work you should need to go Intel Core Ultra 9285K rather you love to do gaming go with AMD Ryzen 9800 X3d.